Morning, everybody. Right. Big change yesterday for country. So, the man at the top's finally thrown towel in. Well, he's probably been pushed over the edge, to be quite honest. So, I mean, now, where's it leave us? Where's it leave us cars? Where's it leave us cost of materials for cars? Where's it leave us cost of rents, electric? I mean, where's it leave us with youth problem, with unemployment? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Well, I don't think any of us know that yet. I mean, I think personally, it's going to probably cause a lot of internal politics and arguments. I honestly do, between they're all the same. I mean, I think you're going to end up with a major reshuffle. We're probably going to end up with like a bit of a chill out period, I think, because I think everybody's going to be tiptoeing on eggshells. There's so much up in air. I mean, whoever ends up getting a job, I mean, they're on about this Andy Burnham getting it, whoever. Well, it's all part and parcel about what goes off and what we do. It involves us all. So that's why I'm going over it, and it proper involves us all because there's so much that involves everyday living that they've got their hands on, and basically they haven't made the world's best job of it. So they've got to try and improve it a bit. So that's where we're at, to be quite honest. I mean, it's well, I mean, where do you start? Well, obviously somebody's going to get a job, whatever their beliefs is or whatever. Well, that bridge has got to be crossed, hasn't it, for this industry? So where does that go? Obviously, then it's going to go on the policies. If it depends how they are with environment, they might be worse than Miliband. I think he'll be pushed aside because I think it'll be done as a little bit of a sweetener to people because I don't know as he's over popular. I mean, I think a lot of people. Well, it's cost a lot of people a lot of money, and it's cost a lot of businesses, and it's rearing its head. And they've got people in their own party who are kicking on the party. So that's an issue. I mean, another issue we've got is like, economy. Well, it's crazy. What they're borrowing to finance debt's astronomical. And I mean, I know all this money is probably going to pension pots, stuff like that, that's paying people pensions and stuff like that, but it's absolutely ludicrous. Well, somebody's got to get in that range, and so we're going to end up with probably a new chancellor. Whether it drips down to the level that like I mean, I'm probably like past that anyway because the route I'm going down now, I'm not going to be a big contributor to taxation system now. I'm probably more a contributor to people like yourself watching YouTube. That's probably where I'm going. I mean, it's same with you. I mean, I can help them to come down, have a chat with me, they talk to me on comments, stuff like that. I'm 100% behind them even getting somewhere. And from what I mentioned yesterday with him, is like some of these auctions, well, go have a word with old lad, get a few quid off him, get a bit of a project, get on drive, get on with it. That's my take on that now. That's my take on it. I mean, it's an very, very important part, and I think where the country should go. We've still got to have people using these, and I think some of them out there do, from what feedback I get. I really do. So I'm hoping they're going to go in somewhere and address that. I'm also hoping, I'm hoping, but I'm talking crap. I'm honestly talking crap because whatever they come out with, like apprenticeships for them out to do engineering, well, it's going to be so diluted. It's probably going to be a joke. They're not going to probably come here and get a job unless they come knocking on my door and say, "Oh, if you set this lad on, we're going to do this. We're going to do that. You're not going to have to do this. You're not going to." Well, I'll listen to them. I'll always listen to them. That's exactly what I do. I will listen to people anytime but I very much doubt that. Whether we I mean, another point that I haven't probably brushed over is in a situation where we're, I don't know, how can I put it? Bullet going out there. Whether, we might end up with a general election because they might not be able to sort this out between us and now. Now there's a new race up So, well, is it a race or has it already been tagged? And if it's already been tagged, well, that's going to cause some crap and that's going to cause a bit of kicking off. But that's the reason I've gone over it. I'm going over it because probably suits me. It probably suits me because I might have a few days off anyway. I might have a few days off and just simmer. Well, I'm going off in another direction. You all know that. You all know what I've got left to do. You all know what I'm up to. And I mean, well, country's in free fall, isn't it? So I might just go into free fall for a few days, and have a bit of a chill. So, but and study. I still do some videos because I've already got some videos lined up for you. I've been doing a few bits and pieces, or I might just shoot a lot of videos for you while I'm just on a chill. I don't know, but we've got change at the top. I know you're all going to comment, and because I know what you like, and we've got a million policies bouncing about that whoever's going to get out of this has got to do something about it because people are probably sick of hearing crap and no happening. I mean, as I said earlier, whether we end up with an election, snap election, well, I don't know. I don't know. Or whether they might get a snap election because they might see everybody against them a week, so they're going to stand strong. About it before, Theresa May did it, didn't she? Stuff like that. But I don't think it was unexpected what's happened. I mean, I don't think it's unexpected, probably what I've gone with this business here, but I've fetched you along with me and I'm going to keep fetching you along with me, showing stuff, There's had to be changes made and we've had big changes in the world and we've also had big corrections in the world, which is probably going to help this job. I think oil thing's going to be better, no two ways about it. That's definitely going to be better. Well, I think there's just a bit of a change. There's going to be a bit of a change in policy now that's probably going to give us a break. I don't think they're going to stick tax on them and out like they were going on and discussing this, that, and other when they call for evidence. I think all that stuff's sidetracked now because there's just not enough time. In this government's time left in power, there's no time to start adjusting. But they've got time to start adjusting to help you far and stuff like that, as I mentioned before. And they've got time to start not being so stupid about their energy policies and stuff like that. There's quite a lot to go off, and there's quite a lot that will affect us. So just give a few comments anyway. That's all I'm going over about. And it's where I stand. I mean, I do stand big with youth. I stand big with these cars, as you know, and I'm always looking down my avenues now. Where do I go with them? And I mean, next video, I might be saying, well, I might do this. You might think, what? You're doing what? But you just don't know that. Because end of the day, I'm messing with what I'm doing. And I'd like to see some people carry it on. And I'd also like to see some of these hang about. Well, if you've got to make a few tweaks and changes to keep it coming, and now we've got like this political tweak and change. And they're all in my head all the time. And there's probably no doubt they're all in your head because they're all interlinked. It's not all about one avenue, go down here, we're doing that. It just don't work. It has to, the whole pattern throughout, top of politics, right down to workman on floor. There's got to be a balance. Well, we haven't had a balance rate. It's been peak, trough, up, down, short, do this, kill that, ruin this. Well, let's see if we get a bit of stability and let's see what happens. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Right, take care, everybody. Anyway, pass a comment. Tell me what you think. Share the channel about. Subscribe if you haven't already done. Thank you very much.